So, looks like we're just wrapping up the high desert oasis. I'm gonna spin you around. We'll take one last look. Put in the comments what you think. If you like it, if you don't like it, what you like about it. Let me know. Let's get some feedback and what do you guys want to see next? So I'm gonna spin you around. Here we go.